Are you trying to change your Facebook password on your phone, but Facebook keeps showing "try again later"? Let's fix this problem. Step 1. Clear Facebook app cache. Step 2. Update the Facebook app. Step 3. Change your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or connect to another Wi-Fi. Turn off any VPN. Step 4. Restart your phone. Now open the Facebook app. Choose how you want to receive the verification code: SMS or email. Enter the verification code. Create a new strong password. Your password is now changed. If the problem persists, wait at least 24 hours. Repeated attempts may increase the block time.